Good morning from the headquarters of Active Trades in London. This is Carlo De Casa, Forex analyst on Active Trades. Finally, we have seen economic recovery within Europe and the UK. Last Wednesday, European PMI reached 50.1, thanks to a good French result and a German boom. In Germany, PMI jumped to 52.4, beating both the previous 50.4 and the market forecast of 50.8. It's an important signal for the European recovery and the best figure since summer 2011. A similar situation was observed in Britain, where every sector of the economy achieved growth in the second quarter of 2013. GDP recorded an increase of 0.6 overall, up by 1.4% on the previous year, but still more than 3% less than the peak of 2009. The dominant sector, services, rose by 0.6, and good results were observed also in construction and manufacturing sector, with increase of 0.9 and 0.4% respectively. As a consequence, the euro achieved really a good performance, reaching 1.33 against the dollar. The trend remained positive, even if it is unlikely that the euro to the dollar will increase to more than 1.34. This resistance could represent an interesting area to think about opening a short position on this currency pair. In this case, the next target could be the support area of 1.32. The situation is also interesting at the moment in the cable. The pair pound against US dollar. This currency pair sterling to dollar reached 1.54 on Friday, confirming this recovering trend of the last few weeks, starting from the support area of 1.48. The next resistance on this currency pair is located between 155.70 and 155.80. It's unlikely the cable will reach the price of 157.20 really soon. This one is also the maximum price reached by the cable in the last 6 months. The first week in August could also be important for commodities. The commodity recovering trend, which started at the end of June, showed sign of weakness in the second part of last week, with falls in prices of precious metals and oil. Platinum reached $1,450 ounce on Tuesday, before collapsing to 1,410. Gold indicated a first important recovery signal, overtaking $1,300, reaching $1,347 ounce in the first part of last week, before decreasing to 1,315. With reference to gold, we have a first important support area at around $1,300. The next resistance area is 1,345 or 1,350 US dollar. Analysts and traders will have time to understand if the recovery trend is likely to continue, or if the break of last 2 trading sessions will have other consequences this summer. This week will highlight new macroeconomical indication on Wednesday, with the European unemployment rate expected at 12.2%, and also with the American GDP price index expected at 1.1%. And as well, the speech of Bernanke from Fed. The market, Bernanke was the real market mover last week, so it's an important week in currency.